And this is how modern factories produce banana chips, from farm harvest to crispy snack, feeding millions of people around the world every day.
Every banana chip begins here, in the endless fields of green bananas.
Harvest teams carefully cut each banana bunch destined for the chips factory.
Hundreds of bananas move from tree to transport within minutes. Only firm green bananas are selected for the perfect chip texture.
Each harvest batch is weighed before beginning its journey to the factory.
From the fields, the bananas begin their organized flow toward processing.
Individual bananas are sorted and prepared for transport.
Harvest crates begin lining up for their trip to the factory.
Heavy harvest loads are lifted and staged for transport.
The day's harvest begins filling the transport fleet.
Once sealed, the bananas begin the journey to the factory.
Within hours, these bananas will become crispy, golden chips.
Entire convoys move the harvest toward massive processing plants.
The road to transformation has begun. From farms to factories, the supply chain never stops.
Ahead lies one of the largest banana chips factories on Earth.
And this is where raw bananas begin their journey into chips.
From distant farms, the banana harvest moves steadily toward the chips factory. Every delivery brings thousands of bananas closer to transformation.
At the factory gates, each shipment is logged and inspected.
Every truck must first confirm its load before entering.
Precise weighing ensures accurate supply tracking for the factory.
Once recorded, the shipment continues toward unloading. Inside the complex, dozens of deliveries arrive every hour. Each truck is directed to a precise unloading position. Heavy equipment takes over the transfer process. Crates are removed quickly to maintain the factory flow.
The unloading process begins immediately.
Every load moves directly toward the processing system. An organized flow keeps thousands of bananas moving at once.
Now the bananas approach their first processing stage.
Automation begins the next step of the process.
The factory machinery waits just ahead. Soon the bananas will begin their journey through the factory line.
Now the transformation from fruit to chip truly begins. Inside the factory, thousands of bananas enter the processing floor every hour. This facility runs almost non-stop to meet global demand for banana chips.
Every banana begins its journey with careful preparation.
Initial inspection ensures only the best bananas move forward.
Before slicing, every banana must be thoroughly cleaned.
Powerful washers remove field dust and debris.
Clean fruit moves quickly toward drying and sorting.
High-speed air systems remove excess moisture.
Human eyes still play a vital role in quality control.
Sorting systems prepare the bananas for the next stage.
Human eyes still play a vital role in quality control.
The production line builds a steady supply for processing. Now the bananas approach their transformation.
Industrial peelers prepare the fruit for slicing.
In seconds, each banana is stripped of its skin.
The next step determines the shape of every chip.
Precision slicing will define the chip's signature crunch.
Within moments, whole bananas become perfect slices.
Next comes the stage that turns slices into crispy chips.
Even after slicing, the bananas are carefully rinsed before cooking.
This rinse removes excess starch for cleaner frying.
Moisture must be controlled before frying begins.
Drying ensures even cooking in the next stage.
Quality control continues at every step.
Automated sensors detect imperfections instantly. Only the best slices remain on the production line.
The slices now move toward the cooking stage.
A light coating prepares the slices for even frying.
Uniform spacing ensures perfect cooking consistency.
Ahead lies the stage that creates the signature crunch.
Hot oil instantly begins transforming slices into chips.
Controlled frying brings out flavor and crisp texture. Excess oil drains away as the chips leave the fryer.
Cooling stabilizes the chip's crisp structure.
Next comes the flavor that makes each chip irresistible. Seasoning coats every chip evenly.
Now the chips move toward the factory's high-tech production systems.